Bloody traffic jams on country roads, eh? Okay guys, I've been riding and riding. It is now 3:22 in the afternoon. I've done a lot of roads, a lot of dirt roads. Now, also, I have encountered about 8 reindeer. Whew. There's a lot. There is a lot. And it's made me rethink, recalibrate. I need to slow down a little bit, because sometimes you just don't notice these deer until the very last second. And I had a close call. The only reason why I didn't hit the deer is because it came across and then decided to come back. If it didn't decide to go back, I think I would have collected it. I was slowing down and everything, but I think I still would have collected it. So what everyone was saying is true. The reindeer in Lapland, I don't know, am I in Lapland yet? Probably not, but they've already begun, the reindeer. So for anyone else, take it easy, because they could be there. There's one right there, see, as we speak. He was just on the correct side. Anyway, I just wanted to give you all that warning, just so you know. They're not joking when they say watch out for reindeer. There's a lot. I'm gonna keep riding for a little while. I really want to put a dent in Finland. The roads today have been reasonably good. There's another deer right there. So many of them. Are they young? Is this a young reindeer? Buddy, go off the road. Go left. Yeah, good job. Good job. And they're all tagged. So what are they tagged for? Can anyone tell me? Is it population control or something? Or so that's 2 reindeer just as I've turned you on. So take it easy. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get some kilometers under my belt today. I know I've said I don't normally like riding so far. Today the riding has been pretty easy though. Like, it's been a lot of straight dirt roads like this. There has been some fun technical bits, or not majorly technical, anyone could do it, but yeah, I'm expecting there to be a good bit at the end of this road. Did I say where I just came from? Kuusalu. I fueled up in Kuusalu. Yeah, I'm expecting some good things at the end of this road. This road is going towards Russia, and at the end of it is Russia. So let's see. I'm not going into Russia. This is what I imagine the Dalton Highway is. Just this for 1,000 kilometers. There's another reindeer just in there. And they always say where there's one, there's more. So when you see one, watch out for more. I mean, obviously there's more. But what they mean is if you can see one, there's normally some you can't see right near, within the general vicinity. Have I explained that enough? Maybe. Okay, team. I've just rejoined TET number 1. I was TET 2 just a second ago, but now it's back on to TET 1. And Russia is just over that way, not very far. I think we're going to pass quite close to the border. Nevala. Oh, jeez. Hit a rock. This is the closest I've been to Russia on this entire trip. There is a TET track that goes close, down near Helsinki. I think it was TET number 4, and it follows the eastern coast of Finland the whole way. But this TET 1 comes over to the border, sort of in the middle of the country. And I did a bit of TET 2 as well, so I actually missed a little bit of TET 1. I wonder if we're going to see the border. Like, I think it passes pretty close. Kiviranta. I feel like I've seen that name before. Does that mean border? Border crossing, maybe? Or have I just seen that name on the map? Interesting. Very interesting. Oh yeah, we're getting close now. Oh my. I wonder if you can actually see anything, or is it just trees? Or is there like a big fence and armed guards and whatnot, KGB with snipers on the other side? Let's see. Let us see. I'll turn this camera on now so they don't think I'm turning it on when I get there just to spy on them or something, and then they're like, take him out! Take out the motorcycle! He's filming! It was a terrible Russian accent, by the way. Can you guys see it on the map? See that little red thing? That's the border zone. Dun, dun, dun. I think I'm not going to see anything anyway, because it's behind all the trees. We're getting closer. Oh my god. Russia is like where those tall trees are in the background. That's Russia. Yeah, like where you can see the tall trees back there. That's Russia. Interesting. Oh, look at that. That's a watchtower. Is that a Finnish one or a Russian one? Finnish, I suppose. Oh, I know. I'm very interested. I'm like, oh my god. But you guys probably aren't. Well, I think I'm going to be riding until a bit later today. It's currently 4 p.m. But because I'm heading further north, the sun's staying up until later. So I think I've got sunlight until 10 even. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, the further north I go, the more sunlight there is. But yeah, I think I'm going to be riding for another 2 hours at least. I don't know what this is meant to be. The bear? Anyway, let's see. This is the road I'm meant to be on. Am I about to see some bears? What's that sign saying? Or are they talking about Russia? We will find out shortly. Oh, Jesus. So, not only do you need to watch out for reindeer, you need to watch out for other cars. Because apparently they're on this road. There's a lot of bugs here too. It's going to make for a great night camping. I don't know what this means though. Let's go and have a look. Whatever it is. Because I won't be back in this area ever again probably. So I better have a look. Said this area is under 24-hour video surveillance as well. Yeah, surveillance. Okay, cool. What does this mean? Oh my god, there's wild bears around. Okay. No dogs, no camping. I am not staying near here. There's wild bears. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now I know. I'm gonna be camping around here somewhere. And there's wild bears. Oh my god. I'm gonna be camping a little bit further north, but anyway. I would prefer to not encounter any bears, please. We are extremely close to Russia again. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, bears, I want you to hear my motorcycle and go the opposite direction. I would not like to come across you on the road. Because I cannot turn around in a hurry. You guys tell me if you can see a bear. Make sure you let me know. Russia's just beyond those trees. Are these mosquitoes? I think they are. Oh my. I'm gonna have to set up my tent really quick tonight. You guys don't see any bears? I also haven't seen any bears yet, which is a good thing. Oh, it's so loose. Watch out for the tree. Nice little hill climb. It's an easy one though, so I can stay seated. Did anyone see a bear? Okay, I think we're out of bear territory now. Well, probably not, but the main bear area. I didn't see any deer in there though. Yeah, it means something. Maybe Mr. Bear has eaten all the deers. Num 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 num. Do bears eat deer? What do bears eat? Berries? Fish. They eat fish. But do they eat deer? Interesting. Okay, this is where I'm camping. If you liked today's video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you tomorrow.